Centec manufactured wireless sensor with large-scale HD LCD display and built-in MC micro-power wireless communication mode support. LoRa 4G, Enable 38000 mAh, lithium battery powered, no wiring is required. Centec provide total solutions for IoT: wireless pressure sensor, wireless level sensor, wireless temperature sensor. Open the software and go to the RTU page. Select the communication port, the factory setting baud rate 9600. Parity, none, click to open. RTU communication port, search online. RTU address 01, baud rate 9600, parity, none, modifiable. Read the RTU model in the basic parameter column. Uncalibrable. Bluetooth parameters can be read, modified, and reset. Next, click on the LoRa page. Click Read LoRa network parameters. Network number, signal channel, air data rate. Communication is only possible when it corresponds to the product. LoRa meter parameters. Hibernate time, display unit, display decimal, modifiable. Click to enter the meter page. The onboard software reads the connected product information. Query the meter to read RTU manufacturer number, meter, type, group, numer, serial number, communication efficiency, battery voltage, sleep time, meter state, pressure, temperature, signal strength, date, time, received quantity, interval time. Next, click to enter the LAN page. Network Debugging Assistant reads connected product information. Read and set RTU, IP type, local IP, subnet mask, default geek, wave protocol type, remote host IP, remote host port, local port. The correspondence between the communication computer IP address, subnet mask, communication gateway, and RTU. Open the Network Debug Assistant, set the protocol type, remote host address, remote host port, etc. of the Network Debugging Assistant according to the LAN parameters. According to the Modbus RTU protocol, read the connected product data: manufacturer number, instrument type, group number, communication efficiency, battery power, sleep time, instrument status, pressure value, temperature value, signal strength, date, time, number of receptions, transmission interval, etc.